Hello, good evening, everybody. We've let go of a lot of stress and troubles in our life, and we are finally free. Spirit says we must smile more. Simply smile and notice the profound healing difference it makes in your life. There is a stabilizing energy in your life, and that could be you. And they say a powerful ally will appear, and you must welcome this friend. The world energy, they say that the earth is going through a transition of energy, and your sensitive body is feeling it. You're not alone, accept the help of others. There has been confusion around money and confusion in other situations as well, and Spirit says you must move on. Do not let temptation test you. You must forgive the past. The transition to the new is beautiful. A mystical journey is about to begin. Prepare yourself. You're on a brand new positive timeline. It's time to work with others and do not seek anyone else's approval. They say the change you're making is for the better. You are being brought out of the cold, and you're going to start seeing things clearly. Your guardian angels are watching over you. You must feel their presence. It's time for healing, not war. Focus on the here and now. They say what you're waiting for is worth it. Your patience is going to be rewarded. Your intuition, they say, is your greatest strength. You must trust your inner voice. It will bring you peace and harmony. There is ancient wisdom coming your way. Listen to the whispers of the past. One step at a time, they say. Lots of little steps make big dreams come true. Stay positive as you move forward. Something you've wished for as a child, you might even have forgotten that wish, but it is coming your way now. And they say that a forgotten spell will bring you unexpected blessings. There's good tidings, good news, good everything all around you. And they say there is going to be an increase in material wealth and spiritual growth. I love you all so much. Have a good evening. Night, night.